Hello everyone! Is your car experiencing slipping gears, poor acceleration, or sudden drops in fuel efficiency? If your obd2 scanner has detected P0744 torque converter clutch circuit intermittent, this means the torque converter clutch, TCC solenoid is not working consistently, which can lead to erratic shifting and transmission overheating. In this video, I'll explain what P0744 means, its symptoms, and most importantly, where to find the key sensors responsible for this issue. Let's get started. What is P0744? The P0744 trouble code appears when the Powertrain Control Module, PCM, detects that the torque converter clutch, TCC solenoid, is intermittently engaging and disengaging when it shouldn't. If this problem is not fixed, it can cause slipping transmission, harsh or delayed shifting, overheating transmission, poor fuel economy. Check engine light on. If you're facing these issues, let's locate the components responsible for this problem. Sensor and component locations, where to find them. To diagnose P0744, check these key components. Torque converter clutch, TCC solenoid. Location, inside the transmission valve body, near the transmission pump. Function, controls the lockup of the torque converter for better fuel efficiency and smooth operation. Transmission input speed sensor, ISS sensor. Location, mounted on the transmission case near the input shaft. Function, measures the rotational speed of the input shaft to help regulate shifting. Torque converter, turbine speed sensor, TSS sensor. Location, near the torque converter inside the transmission housing. Function, monitors the torque converter's speed to ensure proper engagement. Transmission Control Module, TCM, Powertrain Control Module, PCM. Location, usually under the hood, near the firewall or battery. Function, controls the torque converter clutch operation and manages transmission shifting. Wiring and connectors. Location, runs between the TCCC solenoid, sensors, and PCM. Function, transmits electrical signals. Damaged wiring can cause an intermittent issue. Common causes of P0744 failing torque converter clutch, TCC solenoid. A weak or faulty solenoid can cause intermittent engagement. Damaged or loose wiring, frayed, corroded, or shorted wiring can disrupt signal flow. Dirty or low transmission fluid, old or contaminated fluid can prevent the solenoid from working properly. Faulty input speed sensor, ISS, or torque converter speed sensor, TSS. Incorrect sensor readings can trigger this code. Malfunctioning PCM, TCM software issues or a faulty control module can cause erratic clutch operation. Internal transmission problems, worn clutch plates or a failing torque converter may be to blame. How to fix P0744. Step 1. Check the transmission fluid. Ensure it's clean and at the correct level. Step 2. Inspect the TCC solenoid wiring. Look for loose connections or damaged wires. Step 3. Test the TCC solenoid. Use a multimeter to check resistance and operation. Step 4. Inspect the input speed sensor, ISS. Compare readings to detect irregularities. Step 5. Check the torque converter speed sensor, TSS. Ensure it's giving correct signals. Step 6. Examine the PCM-TCM connections. Make sure all connectors are clean and secure. Step 7. Clear the code and test drive. Use an obd2 scanner to reset the code and check for improvements. If left unfixed, P0744 can lead to serious transmission damage. Diagnosing and fixing it early can save you from expensive repairs. For more car repair tips, check out these videos next. P0352, Ignition Coil B, Primary Secondary Circuit Malfunction. P0353, Ignition Coil C, Primary Secondary Circuit Malfunction. Like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for expert car diagnostics.